Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are not receiving WhatsApp notifications, then there could be several reasons why this is happening. So today we are here with some troubleshooting steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. So basically guys, first of all, check your internet connection. WhatsApp requires an active internet connection to receive notifications. So make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have mobile data enabled. So now after you have made sure, simply go to the settings, and in settings scroll down and tap on general. Inside general, you'll get to see the option iPhone storage. Tap on it. Now scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on location, reset location and privacy. So after you reset it, simply go back to the settings again, and in settings um, tap on the notifications option available there. Now all we have to do is check notification settings, scroll down and locate the WhatsApp app, and make sure that the notifications are enabled in WhatsApp. Verify that notifications are enabled for WhatsApp in your device's settings. Make sure that the button is on green. Now again go to the general. Inside general, all you have to do is go to the iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, look for the option WhatsApp and simply offload the WhatsApp app and reinstall it. So basically guys, if you have tried all these steps, then you will definitely fix this issue of not getting WhatsApp notification. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.